we're going to see about SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, uh, which is responsible for sending and receiving mails. SMTP works in the background when we send mails. Let us consider this is the user which I can send. I want to send message to this user. I send here the SMTP comes to play. The mail which I send is sent to the assembly server of my email provider. Email provider is nothing but who can provide email service to us. Then the mail which we send present in assembly server is then sent to the top receiver's email service provider SMTP server. From there, it gets downloaded to POP or IMAP server. POP of IMAP server is nothing but which is responsible for downloading the mail to the mailbox which the receiver views it. POP stands for Post Office Protocol. Today we seldom use POP. We actually uses IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, which is widely used because of its functionality. The POP3, which we used earlier, in that when the mail gets downloaded to the inbox from the POP server, it gets deleted from the POP server, which makes you to view your mail only in the system which the mail get downloaded. You cannot use multiple devices to view your mails. Whereas whereas in IMAP, the message is the mails are delivered to the user mailbox, and it as well as it is stored in IMAP server, which we can view in different user devices. And in case if mails are deleted from inbox in case of POP3, you cannot retrieve back because it is after downloading it's deleted from the POP server, where in case of IMAP we can retrieve. This SMTP protocol is responsible for sending mails, and SMTP protocol runs on port 25. SMTP is built on the top of the TCP protocol, which carries guaranteed delivery because of the TCP's connection oriented nature. Then we're going to see about POP. POP3 is a post office protocol, and IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. These both protocols helps in receiving the mail from the SMTP server and displays it in inbox. IMAP has several advantages over than POP, and it is widely used. POP protocol runs on port 1110, and IMAP protocol runs on port 143. These are some of the important status code. Let's see them in action. Here for we want one server, which is we are going to set it as a SMTP server. Then I connected two hosts in first network and one host in second network, and router is connects these three networks: first network, second network, and this third network. Let's assign IP to it. Now we can see that all we assigned IP to all devices. Let's check connectivity first. You can see that the packet is sent successfully. So the connections are made correctly. Let's set up SMTP. First, go to services, then on email, switch on SMTP and pop 3 services and put domain. I just put Avengers inside. Then add users. After getting the users, then close it. Configure our PCs just by going to email. Remember the email ID which we created in the server, updated with the domain name. Assign IP address as IP address of the server for incoming and outgoing mail server. Then give username password. You can correlate this with when you want to send mail. You have to log in first. You have to authenticate first, and then you can send mail. Similarly, we have to give username and password here. Enter the username and password which you created in the server. Then click save. This is Tony's PC, where this is Thor PC. This is Steve's PC. Then configure Thor email inbox. Then we successfully configured the inbox setup. Let's try it out. First, I want to send mail. By clicking this email, you can get this screen. First, I want to compose mail to Steve's PC. Okay. Enter the email address which we created. I about you subject as I am sending this. You can see that sending mail with subject how are you to mail server. This is the mail server, assembly server, and status is send success. Okay, so the mail is actually sent. In Steve PC, let's check out. On clicking receive, you can see that this is the last. You can see this is the last mail. This is the mail which I already sent for the demo. This is the mail. It shows how are you at the subject I. Let's now try to analyze the packet sending when we send mails. For that, I put in the simulation mode. Then I'm going to Thor. I send mail to Tony. Sorry. I can send the mail. You can see that SMTP packet is generated. Let's minimize it and we can analyze. I on increasing the speed and starting the simulation. You can see that it is going from this to this and reaches SMTP server. In this stage, what it does is you can see that the TCP messages are flowing. I already told that SMTP is built over the TCP. That is, it follows TCP for guaranteed delivery. After the three-way handshake completes, SMTP packet is sent to the server, and server sends thereby the mail is sent to the receiver. Receiver SMTP server. First, I'll stop this. After it completes, I'll stop the simulation. Let's see the packets. On clicking this file, you can see that the OS model, and they give that what the packet does. They give like that the information regarding that. First, it is at device laptop 0. What it does is you can see that the connection. It tries to make the connection to the SMTP server. The IP address of the SMTP is 2.100 and port 25 because SMTP option port 25. You can see the packet details. PD is nothing but packet data unit. You can see that how the packet is structured, like the information you can get from this. You can see that fast Ethernet receives this frame. From here, fast Ethernet interface receives the frame. This interface. Similarly, switch 0 to router. From this to router in this gigabit Ethernet 0.0 receives the frame. This receiver, this interface receives the frame. That is our packet is now in this place. Like that, we are going after this three-way handshake complete. From this, you can see that the SMTP packet is constructed. The device sends out SMTP packet. From there, our SMTP is constructed. Constructed SMTP packet is sent. You can see that the data which we typed in mail or attached to the PDU as SMTP data. Like that, you can see that all the SMTP packets thereby you can easily understand how the packet is going from our main client to SMTP server, then from SMTP server to recipient SMTP server, then it gets over to their mailbox using POP or IMAP protocol. That's all. Thank you for watching.